Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Alright viewers and subscribers, this are the Skilla, you see. Now, rumors are go around saying that the man that video the Maypen robbery at Guinea Tree has been killed today. You see me? By most likely the robber they are assuming. You see? Now, I just want to make my viewers them know say sometimes we don't have to pay these things any mind, because really and truly these things are just rumors being put out there for certain benefits. You see me? I see this happen over and over. But let me explain. I see them put out a video footage, and the video footage show of a man that was hurt. You see me? I say that was practically killed, and you know, face down and so forth, with pull over and all these things. You know, basically, you know, who see it, me just describe the video footage or the picture I want to see, so that's when you can you know, because I'm not gonna really show that here, so you see. And what really happened is that them circulate these things for a benefit of earning money through social media in the wrong way, and that no people don't understand it. You see me? But before me explain that, let me explain this. Zane, who knows who video the video footage, even if it's coming from a barber shop? It could be a customer. You see me? And the robbers will do the robbery and get away with everything so scotch free. Why them would have come back and put on more heat on themselves after them do a robbery and it was successful like that? You see what I said here? Yeah. And even if something like that did happen for real, that would prove that whosoever pull off the robbery live within Maypen. You get the message here? Because Maypen, you see what I said? Because only who live on Maypen could have actually described the vice of the person, because nobody knows see man's face. You get me? And as me say, you can't say the barber because man have customer. You see it? And it's not only one video footage they out there, you see me, and circulate. So then why them pinpoint this man? It's because the man that are talking in the background and so forth. So it's like somebody just say, yo, I'm gonna make something out of this. You see it? No, I'm not gonna show the video, but me can tell you this, I've taken a look at the video, and when I look on the video, that video don't look nowhere near like it's Maypen. You get what I'm saying to you? People send me pictures of it, and I look at the whole situation and the place look like somewhere down a town and all these things, you see? But that is not the point I try to make. The point I try to make to my viewers them is that, now, back to the point of them making a profit from it now. The profit what they make from this thing is that when them post it out there, them build a little website thing. When them build the website now and then them make up this thing, right? You click on the website, and when you go up on the website now, then whatsoever advertisement is there or so forth, that's how them get them profit or what out of it. Doesn't make that a one more thing. I've seen where them do that, say Beenie Man died and all these things. Me see them do it over and over and over again. And it's only to make profit off of social media. You get me? I say with wrong accusations, and them think they're not right. You see me? So people, me nah say this is a confirmation that the story is not true. I mean, I say this is a confirmation that the story is true. But this is rumors, and I don't want nobody to trick my viewers them into believing things that are not true. You get what I'm saying to you? You see me? If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My people, leave a comment, let me know what you think. My name is Skilla, and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself, you see?